Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we are going to be unboxing the ring box, subscription box. For those that are engaged or newly engaged, you guys should definitely check out the subscription box because it is amazing. This is probably my 4th ring box or my 5th. I've been engaged 6 months, and I believe I got this maybe a month after my engagement. So this has to be my 5th box. If you follow me on Instagram, I'm sure you've seen on my stories me unboxing my previous ring boxes. So let's get started. All right, got my scissor. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so I got the flap open. So when you open it up, it has a cute little message. It says, "Congratulations, you are engaged. We are so excited to be a part of this journey with you. XOXO, the ring boxes." And then it says theringboxes.com on the bottom. So when you open it, it looks like this. Ooh, it flew out. Anyway, there is some little papers that are covering anything that is fragile. And then it comes with a little card here. And it says, "For the bride-to-be." And let's take a look and see what we got. So it says, hashtag the ring boxes. In this box, we have a cotton floral robe designed by the Paisley box. And the retail value of that is $29. Then we have a bride planner pad, and that's created by the Bloom Planners, and that retail value is $8.95. And then we also have a printed mug designed by Before the Rings, and that retail value is $12.99. And then we also have an all-natural sea sponge created by Hug and Smile, retail value $10. We also have a Big Day Diva mask designed by Reasony, retail value $3. And then it says, bonus item, love the ring boxes, enjoy on us. So let's see what this bonus item is, because I've never received a bonus item from the ring boxes. I wonder if you get that after a certain amount of boxes, because it's the boxes, like everyone's box is different. So it goes by whenever you sign up, you fill out a little survey. I believe you put in like when you got engaged or when your wedding date is, and your first box will be like a welcoming box, then your second box will be like an engagement box, like we just got engaged. Then another box would be more of, oh, this was actually in one of my boxes, this I believe was in the 3rd box. It says girlfriend, and then fiance and girlfriend is crossed out. And then it also came with these socks, and it says the bride. And it also came with another mug that says, oh my god, what did it say? Oh my god, I totally forgot. And then another box was more about sweating for the wedding and, you know, getting fit for your big day. And it came with this sweat towel, and it also came with a tank top that said sweating for the wedding, and a really cute sports cup that said, "We're so getting pizza after this." And it also came with a few other items. But yeah, let's get back into this box, and let's open everything up. All right, so this is what it looked like. And the first item I'm opening here is the robe. So it comes in this little plastic here. And it looks like we also have a coupon code, save 25% off all regular priced items by thePaisleyBox.com. They have bridal robes, bridal PJ sets, bachelorette shirts, Mr. and Mrs. luggage tags, wedding party gifts. And it's nicely packaged. And this is a size small. And it's really cute. Look at that. So the material is very nice. It is soft cotton. It does not feel cheap whatsoever. It's very, very nice. This color is very beautiful. This is definitely something I could see like my bridesmaids wearing. But I can definitely see them wearing this. And actually in my last box, I actually got a robe for me, and it was a white silk robe, and it says bride on the back, and it came with slippers, and I'll get more into that later, but that's very, very cute. It's very nice. So I'm very happy with that. Okay, the next item are sea sponges, and they're all natural sea sponges. This is what it looks like. Next item I am pulling out here are the Diva mask. So this is the mask. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it says, step out with picture perfect skin, honeysuckle flower extract. So that's that. And it also comes with a coupon code. And then we also have here the mug, which I love mugs. I literally love collecting mugs. So I'm so happy I got another one. And it says, does this ring make me look engaged? Very cute. Perfect size. Okay. And the next item we have is the bride planner pad. So this is what it looks like. Very nice. And there's so many of those pages there. Okay. We have, I believe this is the bonus item, a shower steamer. And this is what it looks like. And that is it, guys. That is everything that was in my box. But there is also another card that it comes with. It always comes with a recipe card. And there's always 2 recipes, one on this side and one on this side. And so yeah, guys, that was my ring box for this month. I'm so happy with all the items that I have received. I'm excited to try out these sponges and the mask. We'll do a little spa day. I'm so excited to drink some coffee out of this mug, possibly take a photo. And this robe is adorable. This notepad I love. So yeah, if you ladies would like your own ring box, I highly suggest this, especially if you love to look at Etsy or you follow a lot of wedding pages on Instagram or social media, whatever it is that you guys follow, and you always see like mugs and t-shirts and all these cute things. And especially since you've only get engaged and married one time, it's an awesome thing to get. Here's a little bonus. I actually wanted to show you, oh my god, there was like a big bird that just flew on my roof. Weird, because last night I had a dream of an eagle. So I don't know what kind of bird that is. Anyway, this is a box filled of stuff that I had previously in other boxes that I wanted to show you. I already showed you the socks. I showed you this t-shirt here. I showed you the sweat towel. And now I'm gonna show you some stuff that I got. So my last box, I actually got this as well. And these are little pads to clean your jewelry with. And you get a few of them, so they're all individually sealed and you can use them whenever. I used it on my ring, I think twice already. I also got here a night before the wedding checklist. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. And it just says, eat a healthy meal, drink lots of water, pamper yourself, confirm details with your vendors, pack a wedding survival emergency kit, go over your wedding vows, soak up the moment, write your future spouse a love note, and get plenty of rest. And then it has some pro tips. And here are more recipe cards from them So there was a brown sugar glazed salmon, a spinach pesto chicken, a spicy turkey chili, a homemade chicken pot pie. I got these hair ties, and it says, whoops, to have and to hold your hair back. And I'm assuming this is for when you have your bachelorette party or even on your wedding day if you drink a little too much and decide to vomit. And I just told you in my previous box also, I got a satin robe that said bride on the back, and it came with slippers as well. I haven't opened them because I think I'm going to use them on the wedding day. I'm not 100% yet. And it also came with a Mrs. sleep mask, which is still wrapped. Really adorable. Also, more recipe cards, margarita pizza, and seared scallop over angel hair. And this was in my first box, so I'm going to show you here what was in the first one. So I have a bride-to-be cake topper. So I'd probably use this on my wedding shower. So we have a balloon here, and it says love. So it says love in cursive, and it's in this rose gold color. I wish I had a picture of it to show you, but I'm not gonna blow this up until my bridal shower day. And then I also got these really cute props. You could either put this on a table at your wedding, or you can put it on the back of your chairs. For the bride and groom. Now this says bride, and it also comes with these little ties if you want to tie it on the back of your chair. And then I got also a groom one. And the rest of my stuff I have packed away, like the sports cup and my sweating for the wedding tank. I also have another shirt that said bride in pink, and it was a gray tee. These earrings, and it says for the bride-to-be, and I've already worn them. I just put them back in the package just to show you guys what it looks like, but they're rose gold with little studs. Very beautiful. But yeah, that is my ring box unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I highly suggest you get your own if you are engaged, or if you know somebody engaged. It's a really great gift to give, especially if you are a maid of honor or bridesmaid out there and you want to give your bride a thank you gift. It's definitely something I would give. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you are new to my channel, I'd love for you guys to subscribe and double click that subscribe button. That way you get notified for when all my posts come out. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching.